What does it mean to be a producer? For me, producing is all about championing projects and creative teams so that you can help midwife great stories into existence. We are the strongest advocates of creative teams, directors, and projects to funders, to distributors, to broadcasters, and to censorship boards in environments where censorship exists. I recently produced a documentary called I Am Samuel. So it's a queer Kenyan documentary about African family, love, and affirmation. We filmed the project over 5 years, took 2 years to edit it, and we got the trust of our subjects, Samuel and Alex, who were very generous, allowing us into their lives. And we faced censorship when the project was released in the fall of 2021. We have really been tested in our role as producers at the distribution stage of this project. We've had to speak out and champion the film's right to exist, in an environment where LGBTQ communities and where LGBTQ stories are not allowed to be shared freely and openly. We've had to be the greatest supporters and advocates of our subjects, supporting their right to privacy at this time during the film's release, and also making sure that they are safe and secure. But that's what makes this job so amazing, because you're helping great people have their stories shared and told, and you're helping great filmmakers and great creative teams come together to midwife stories into existence.